how to delete Safari history in iOS 26. So first, let's go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. At the bottom here, you want to tap on the bookmark icon. Then at the top here, there are different tabs. Tap on this history tab on the right hand side. Then we go to the top and tap on the more button or the three dots. And in here, tap on clear. And from here, you have a clear history pop-up window. You can select a time period in the last hour, today, yesterday, or all history. And then we can also choose additional options, close all tabs. So select your specified time period and then tap on clear history, and that will clear from your history in here. Okay, so that is one way. Now another way to do it is from settings. So go back to the home screen and tap on settings. And in settings, go back to your My Settings page and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then tap on apps. Now scroll down and tap on Safari. So just need to find where it is. Safari. Here it is. And then we go down. So the list is quite long, so we try to scroll down. Now we keep scrolling down. In history and website data section, tap on clear history and website data. Again, it will pop up the same window, so you can select a specified time frame, last hour or today, then tap on clear history. And that's the same thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.